Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about 10 easy lock styles that you can do on short or medium length locks. The first thing I'm going to do is start misting my hair with some water. That's all I'm using in this video, just so that my hair won't be completely dry when I'm manipulating it. And then I'm going to take a scrunchie, and the first style is going to be a half up, half down. This is my go-to style. This is like my favorite style ever with the length of my hair. And so I'm just pulling all the pieces up on each side, trying to get them as even as possible. So I'm pulling down 2 pieces on each side in the front. That's just how I like. I always have to have a bang or something for the most part. So you can do that or not. But so that's what I'm doing here, and still trying to make sure everything is even. So for this half up, half down, we're doing a messy top bun. So I'm just bottling it up, and then I'm spraying some water on my bangs because they aren't straightened out, if that makes sense. They have like a big bump to them. So then I'm just going to gently wrap my finger around them to try to wrap the extra hairs around the lock so that it'll be neater. This style is still considered a half up, half down that I'm doing now. I'm just pulling out all the strands out of the top ball or bun, and I'm just going to pull them out so that the top ponytail can be full. For the second look, I'm spraying the back of my hair. I'm taking a scrunchie and I'm going to pull the back of my hair to the very top so that I can create a high ponytail. I'm pulling out a few strands in the back, but that is optional. But of course, mine are too short to go in the ponytail for the most part. But I also do like how that looks to have a few dangling in the back. This third style is going to be a high bun, but it's going to be more like a donut bun. I know some of y'all probably remember the donut style where you put the sock at the top and all that, but we're going to do this without the sock. So you're just taking the ends of your strands and you're going to roll them all the way around, just grabbing as you go to create this donut look. For our fourth style, we're going to create a swoop bang with a low ponytail. That's pretty self-explanatory, but you're going to grab a good amount of pieces out of the front as if you're doing a side part, and then you're going to pull the rest of your hair towards the back. I always try to stretch my ponytails out, pulling all the strands through so that it won't be bunched up underneath, and trying to make it as flat as possible. I did use a couple of bobby pins for extra security for the swoop, so that it stayed in place.
Let's take this overboard now.
And right here I'm taking a little bit of edge control for this side so that it can look a little tamed. To make this style a little more formal, we're going to take a scrunchie and we're going to fold our ponytail into a low ball. For style 6, we are parting our hair down the middle, and we're going to do 2 low ponytails in the back, and we're going to keep the swoop. For style 7, we're going to undo our swoop, and we're going to part the front down the middle, pull out 2 bangs, and we're going to do 2 low buns in the back. For style 8, we're coming up out of the ponytails, and I'm just misting my hair some more with some water since they were in the ponytails, and this is going to be a middle part style. Now this next style, I absolutely love this style. I would say I prefer it more if you have a fresh retwist, but it doesn't look bad if you don't. I wore this style for Christmas, and basically you just have your hair parted down the middle, and you're going to twist each side at the top. So you're going to leave some down in the back, and you're just going to twist it around like a crown. And this last and final style is probably my least favorite, but it's one of the easiest styles. It is just a side part. I do have that little extra dread that's kind of shorter than the rest, so I just took it behind my ear, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.